Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria if you don't know me, and if you do know me, then sis, I'm sorry for this background. This is not like, y'all know this is not what my backgrounds usually look like, but I'm moving. There's a lot going on. Y'all know I just left New York, so just bear with me for now, okay? Today's video is gonna be all about this hair. So I have an unboxing for you guys. So yeah, this hair is from Ishow hair. I'm gonna give you guys all the details, the prices, the everything in the actual unboxing. Let's get into the video. As you guys can probably tell, my hair is like braided up back here. I just like tied up because my hair, you guys know my hair is like kind of long, so I just tied it up. I'm gonna see if I can just like sew it up so that there's no hang time underneath the wig, okay? Because my natural hair, this is not your time to shine. Shout out to Ishow hair because they sponsored this video for you guys today. They sent me some hair in the mail. I haven't opened it yet. I haven't even looked at this hair. Like, I mean, obviously through here, but other than that, we in the same boat. I ordered 3 bundles and a frontal. This is the frontal. So I'm already kind of seeing in the light that it's not like jet black. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like when it's not jet black because it's closer to my natural hair color. I know a lot of people like to dye their hair jet black. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'll try it one day. I feel like it does look really good. This is more of like a natural brown kind of color, but this is what it looks like. First of all, I'm gonna say this hair is so soft. I was very nervous to get this hair in a wig just because I know that a lot of AliExpress type brands, the wigs are like a little bit thinner, and I like my hair to be thick. And it's not a bad thing to have a thin wig if it's like the natural thickness of someone's hair, which I prefer to be like thicker than that. So that's why I just got bundles and decided I was gonna make a wig. But yeah, so this is the frontal. It's so soft. I'm liking the color of it so far. It doesn't really smell like anything. I mean, it smells like hair. I know a lot of times people complain about like hair coming with a smell. This does not have a smell, so that's good. This frontal is 20 inches. So yeah, let's move on to the bundles. Okay, so this is a 26-inch bundle. I got 2 26s and a 24. Usually I do 4 bundles and a frontal, but I mean 3 bundles and a frontal is also pretty good. It honestly is just like depends on your personal preference. Okay, so this is the bundle. First of all, one thing that I'm noticing like immediately is how healthy the hair feels. Like this hair feels bomb. Like I'm actually really excited to put this in because I feel like this is about to look great. It's thick like all the way from the top of the bundle to the bottom. Like it does not lose thickness. Look, this is something that I always look for. And then another thing that I always look for is if the length is like true to, I mean, I don't be sitting here like measuring it with a ruler or anything, but I like to compare them. So the 26 is in my hand already. I'm about to pull out the 24. I don't know if y'all can see. It is longer. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Bet. So, so far I'm filling these bundles, you know, as an initial unboxing. I mean, there was no box, but you know what I mean. I'm feeling it like they're shiny, they're soft, they're thick. So, you know, those are kind of qualities I'm looking for when I first open up my hair, and they don't smell bad, so there's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew it up into a wig, install it, and then come back to show you guys what my review is, if anything's changed for me actually like putting it on, show you how long it is on me, and yeah. Again, a huge thank you to Ishow hair for reaching out to me to sponsor this video. So far I am impressed. Oh, also I did notice it came with like a little pair of lashes. I'm not gonna lie, these aren't really lashes that I would actually wear. You see the type of lashes that I wear. Like I need some 25mm, like come on. So but yeah, the little bag is really cute. I feel like I'll definitely reuse it for like, other things. Probably, I mean, I don't know, maybe if I'm done with this hair I'll put it back in here, or you know, traveling. Y'all know how it goes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, make the wig, install it, come back and tell you guys what I think once it's on, show you guys what it looks like, how long it is on me, and yeah. Okay y'all, so I have the hair in. Honey, I made a wig out this hair, and must I say, I'm very proud of how it came out. I'm very proud of how it came out. Like, I feel like the frontal looks good, like everything looks good, and here's the whole tea, is that I only put 2 bundles in. So I actually only put the 2 bundles of 26. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, I hope y'all can see. That's what it looks like, the 26 inches. It's really long. It's a really long 26. Like, I really wanted a 28, but they were sold out at the time when I had to let them know what I wanted. So I was like, okay, I settled for a 26, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't even feel like I settled. I feel like this joint was long, okay? And then, surprisingly, I literally only put in 2 bundles. Like, that's actually crazy because I usually use 4. I'm not gonna lie, I usually use 4 bundles. They wanted to send me 3, so I was like, okay, I'll take 3 bundles. And you know, like, I was able to get away with 2. I'm not gonna lie, I might go in still and put in, you know, some more, like that last bundle, just to fill it up a little bit, just because I like a thicker look. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can still get a nice look with just the 2. Like, it's really crazy how that worked out. It gives you like that natural density, whereas I prefer like a thicker density. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feeling this. Like, I could low-key keep it like this and not even care. Another thing about this hair is it's so soft. I washed it and everything. Oh, and then about the frontal, the hair is just as good quality in the frontal as it is in the bundles. I know sometimes it'll be a little bit different, but no, the quality is the same. This is actually some really good hair, y'all. The hair is pretty affordable for it to be this good. I'm not gonna lie. I usually don't really go for like the affordable hair. That sounds so like bougie and extra. Like, I just be, you know, when it comes to hair, I'd be like, okay, I want the quality, you know what I'm saying? But it's definitely here in this hair, so I'll definitely be wearing this hair again. About the frontal, I did bleach the knots and tint the lace. It was actually fine once I bleached the knots. You really don't have to tint the lace, but I was trying something new because I never tinted the lace before. But yeah, all in all, I'm really happy with this hair, you guys. If you guys want an update, like I know some people do like a month update, 2-month update. If you guys want that, make sure you comment below. All the specs of the hair will also be in the description, so you guys can go buy this hair. It is so cute, y'all. Like, I put these little wand curls in it. This isn't how it naturally comes. It does come a little wavy, but I did actually like wand curl it. And not for nothing, these wand curls were actually from yesterday, and then this morning I just woke up and combed it out with this wide tooth comb right here. I just woke up and did a little 1-2, and that was it. So I just feel like this is a great protective style because all of my hair is literally right up under this wig. No leave out, no nothing. This is, a lot of you guys ask me how do I grow my hair, and that's it. I just be wearing these wigs. That's it. That's all you gotta do is put it in a protective style, leave it alone. Anyways, that's all I have to say about this hair. All the specs of this hair will be in the description box below. The prices, the links, everything you need will be in the description. And that is pretty much it. If there's any other hair related videos, or honestly any other videos you guys want to see, just make sure you comment them below. Comment if you will be buying this hair, if you like the 2 bundle look, or if you like 3. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and of course follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is like always up here somewhere, so make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be doing polls and a bunch of different things that's gonna relate right back to this channel. So yeah, that will be all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys loved it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.